Hello creative people, welcome back to another brand new video by Rabby. In this video, I am going to give you 350 plus professional light leaks collection for free and how to use these light leaks on any video editing software. So guys, we have a great tutorial for today, so let's get started and have some fun.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
First of all, you need to download the light leaks collection. I'll give you the download link in the description below, so feel free to use it. After downloading the light leaks collection, open it and here you will find two folders. Go to the first folder, here you will get 322 light leaks. Now go to the second folder, here you will get 21 long light leaks collection. I'll use Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects, but you can use any video editing software. The process is same. Now drag any light leaks on the project panel. Now go to Effects Control and change the blend mode into screen. You can use other light leaks too. Just drag it on the project timeline and change the blend mode into screen. Also, you can play with the opacity to make it more perfect.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Now let's move to the After Effects. Drag your footage on the composition icon to create a new composition from that video settings. Now drag the light leaks on the timeline. If you do not see your mood tab here, click on the expand icon. Now change the mode into screen. Press T to open opacity and play with the number to make it perfect. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun.